Welcome guys, today I am with JBL Reflect Mini Noise Cancellation earbuds and I'm gonna show you how you can pair them with your Apple Watch. So at the first you have to remember to charge this case and earbuds inside at least to the 50%. Another step is very simple. You can just open the case and wait until this indicator starts blinking quickly. It means that the device will be in the pairing mode, so it will be visible to other devices, so we have to wait, for example, for like 10 seconds. Okay, as you can see, it's blinking. But if you have problem and they are still not in the pairing mode, you can move them manually by using this button on the back of the charging case, this one. And you have to click twice on it, just like that. And after that, it will also start blinking. Another step is on our Apple Watch. So we have to go for the all application, then enter the settings. Oh, sorry, I just already entered here. We have to open the Bluetooth and then tap on the switcher to enable Bluetooth. Take a look on available devices and there is JBL Reflect Mini Noise Cancellation. So tap once. And after a few seconds, as you can see, we are successfully connected with our earbuds. And that's how we can make it step by step. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.